Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop for another prime time episode. How to build a 105 thunderchief, 10 minutes at a time. Bam. Okay guys, I think I'm actually over my brain fade from yesterday. I think I was trying to think too much. I don't know. It just proves I'm human, people. I'm just like you. It ain't no different. All this stuff's trial and error, man. There ain't no blueprints, ain't no drawings, ain't no book. You know, I got a set of wing molds and a landing gear. And I need to make it all work. And this is how I go about it, people. This is old school. You know, I ain't got this drawn out on no computer. You know, this is old school determination. That's what this is. You know, back before we had all that sissy book learning. Okay, that should be closer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dial in. Okay, I had to go way back here and I had to lower them both a little bit because as I got back it would have got closer to this edge. Still okay. I got about an 1/8 inch clearance in its low spot and more than that on the ends. Same way there, we're still good. Because all this will sit on top of my glass. I got this all adjusted for that. And I'm good to go this time on them. I'm probably only going to have to make 5-6 more of these before I get it right. No. Now what I'm going to do is I could just along this hole until I get it right. I think it's actually pretty close now. Because I kind of stuck that gear up there and I just left these glued in and just moved this whole bulkhead. You see, because I still got to keep that square shape. And if I put them at an angle, that ain't going to work. So, you know, I don't really know if it matters a great deal. But these bulkheads ain't going to be at a 90 on the leading edge. You know, all that should not matter. You know, because I checked this. These gear are made on a 45 degrees. So if we line this up 45 degrees, Paul said they will be perfect. So that's another option. Let's see. Some way I can get a... There we go. Now all I got to do is line this up with this. Paul, why didn't you tell me that 3 days ago? He's been out of town, we'll forgive you. Okay. These are made on a 45. Now, if we line, Paul, you need to watch this video. If we line that up, bam, that should be perfect. Am I not correct, sir? Because we want these gear at a 45 degrees. Yeah, that's going to look straight too. Paul, watch this video and call me, man. But now the only thing is, them gear don't look like they're standing straight up anymore. So what I'm going to have to do, Paul said it was going to be close. And it wasn't that close because I had it in the right spot. I'm going to have to lower the front and raise the back. This is going to be almost at the top of here. I should have just left that straight. Cut them because now they're tilted. I can see they're tilted. What do you guys think? You gotta remember it's sitting on the top of the wing, so that's gonna give it a little bit of angle. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I bet I made this too low back here. I bet I did. I might have to lower it in the front. I lower it in the front. I think I got room up front. Yeah, I got more room in the front than I do the back. I'm just gonna let this ride for now. But I'll know when I make up my clear one. Oh shoot, I guess it would help if it was sitting on there tight. We're gonna let this ride for now. And cross that path when I get to it. And Paul, tell me that this should get them landing gear perfect. Don't you think? Watch, listen, call me, buddy. But see, look at that, the wheel now, it looks straight too. I set the camera about straight with the fuselage. Oh, wait a minute, let me aim it right here, see. Oh. That looks pretty darn straight, don't it? Yeah. See, I got you guys about on the thrust line. That's about perfect right there. Oh, the camera's too far that way. There we go. Yeah, see, that's nice and straight now. Okay. I think that issue's solved. Now what I gotta do, people, is move my holes. Now that it looks like that whole gear might need to go forward. I can't just keep going back and back and back. I'm gonna have to go forward a little bit. Yeah. I need to go forward back here. Alright. I'm gonna start over from scratch. And I'll be back. I'll be back when I get to now I'm too far back, people. See, I can kind of go by where the gear needs to sit, by the panel lines in my mold. See, it was on my panel lines where my gear door was set, so I got to be up here. Sure enough, I got to be sitting up there, which makes that way too big there. Okay, I'm gonna start from scratch. I'm gonna get this figured out, and I'm gonna make another movie. Sorry about the goofs. But this is where we gotta get it. I don't know. This is old school. We'll get her figured out. I'll make another movie in a little bit and show you my new parts. Have a good day.